Hello, thanks for joining us here at Snow Globe Rescue. I'm Tony, and with me is Allie.
Hi guys.
So today we have another subscriber request. Again, this is from our subscriber Rose Lee. Thanks, Rose, for the question. And Rose watched episode 12 where we showed some new snow globe, and she saw that we had some of these little miniature snow globes, and she asked if we could show how we fix these. And so that's what we're going to do today. These are really small, and this one has a big air bubble in it, and this one, the figurine is tilted over. So we'll open both of these up, fix them, and we'll show you how we do it. We're going to use two different methods. We're going to use the hair dryer for one and the boiling water method for the other one. So stick around. All right, so the first method we're going to use to open the globe is the boiling water. And what we're going to do is we're going to boil some water, and we're going to pour it into the pan here, and we're going to bring the water up to the top of the the base, but not higher, not up into the globe. So just to the top of the base, we put the hot water. Okay, Allie, so go ahead and pour the hot water in there until it gets to the top of the base.
Oh my god. Progressive.
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. That's good.
Perfect.
Okay. So we're going to let it sit there, and we'll be back in a minute. And, okay, now this thing is not even budging.
Not even budging?
Not even budging.
I don't think at this point it's going to make a difference.
All right, so this is what we discovered. And this is the first time this has happened. But this apparently was not assembled with hot glue, because we've had it in the boiling water for about 5 minutes, and by now it should have been at least loose, and it is not moving at all. So this one is not a candidate right here, because they use something permanent to seal it with. Usually these are done with hot glue. So what we're going to do is we're going to find another one, and we're going to try that again. All right, so we selected this one right here, which I'm hoping is put together with hot glue. So we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to put this in here, and we're going to hit that one with the boiling water up to the top of the there you go, right there. That's it, right there. Okay, we're going to let that sit, and we'll be right back. Okay, it's been 1 minute. We're going to check it.
Minute and a half, only because I failed to stop.
And
the
there we
timer.
go. So that's what we expected. So this one was assembled with hot glue as what's typical. So the boiling water was able to heat the base up until the glue melted, and we were able to get this out. So that's using boiling water. And of course, be careful. This is hot. So
and the bowl is warm as well. So
yeah. So be careful handling everything. All right. So now this other one, we're going to use the hair dryer to heat up the base and separate it. So here we go. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's almost. It's moving. There. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. All right, so
that took about 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Okay, so a little bit more than a minute with the hair dryer, and it loosened the glue up in there, and we got the globe out. So
it took you almost got the figurine out at the same time.
Almost took the figurine out as well. So okay, so now these little mini globes are just like the regular size globes. They have a stopper, and just like the regular globes. So we'll clean this up. I think the water in here was fine. It was just missing some water.
It was missing water, and he was sideways a little bit.
Right. So for this guy, we're just going to actually just add some water to this globe, because there's nothing wrong with the water. It's just had a big air bubble. So here, we'll just do this. We'll fill that up. Okay.
I mean, his stopper is very clean.
Yeah. So
there you go.
So basically, the water in this globe was fine. We just needed to top it off. It had a big air bubble in it, so.
And it seems like it's more on the outside than anything. The stuff that needs to be cleaned off of it.
Right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just put the figurine back in.
Would you like some paper towel there, my
Paper
love?
towel right there. There we go. Just push it in like we want. All right, so we got the figurine in there, and it's level. The water's filled up now. So, and basically all we do is put some hot glue in the base, stick this back down, just like any other solid base snow globe. We'll do the same to this one. We might actually keep this one for parts.
Yeah.
But so anyways,
Yeah.
Rose, I hope that answers your question. All right, so catch us on the next video.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care, everyone.